Welcome to part 2 of the metal lathe. In this session we are going to describe the pre-operational checks required before commencing any work on the lathe. In this video we will be starting the lathe to check some safety features. Make sure you are wearing the appropriate safety gear when you are performing these checks. Pre-operational checks are an important part of the overall running of the lathe for safety, quality and efficiency. First thing to do is check to make sure that our immediate work area is clear of any obstructions. Check the workspace and walkways to ensure there are no slip and trip hazards present. Locate lathe controls and make sure all speed adjustments are appropriate to the workpiece material. Turn the isolating switch to the on position. Turn the machine power switch to the on position. Check to make sure all the slides are working smoothly. The apron, the cross slide, the compound rest, the tool post, and the tailstock assembly. Next, check the lubrication and cooling system. Turn on the pump at the main control and check the flow at the spigot. Make sure the flow rate valve is on. Using the correct tools, check that the spindle and chuck are secure. Return tools to their location and wear your safety gear. Pull down the safety guard and start the lathe. The lathe has three main safety features. The lathe should stop if the safety guard is lifted. The emergency stop button on the front panel should stop the machine when activated. And the foot brake located at the base of the machine will stop the spindle instantly. Reset the lathe and set it up to commence machining.
Wiseman Institute is a leading provider of business improvement and technical training solutions. We specialise in cabinet making, engineering, food processing, bread baking and building and construction.